Did you know meditation isn't about emptying your mind? It's about training it like a muscle. I spent years thinking I was doing it wrong because my thoughts wouldn't shut up, so I quit. But once I realized that fighting your own brain is the opposite of what meditation actually does, everything changed. The goal isn't silence, it's noticing what's happening and choosing how to respond to it. Think of your brain like a warehouse with two competing managers. The prefrontal cortex is your calm, rational manager who handles decision-making, attention, and self-control. Then there's the amygdala, your hypervigilant security guard who screams, "Danger!" every time a thought pops up. When I first started meditating, I thought the goal was to fire the security guard entirely. But that's impossible, and trying just makes him louder. Meditation actually increases activation of the prefrontal cortex while reducing amygdala reactivity. You're not silencing your thoughts, you're strengthening the manager's ability to notice when the security guard is overreacting and choose not to follow his lead. This shift explains why I stopped feeling hijacked by every random worry that crossed my mind. Nearly half of new practitioners stop within the first few months. I was one of them. My first attempts were disasters. I'd sit there for 10 minutes feeling like my brain was a broken radio stuck between stations. Every meditation app promised instant calm, but I felt more agitated afterward than when I started. I thought I was uniquely bad at it. The real problem wasn't my racing thoughts. It was my expectation that they should disappear. I kept trying to force my mind into some mystical state of emptiness, which is like trying to calm a storm by yelling at it. Most beginners expect meditation to be immediately soothing, but the reality is it often stirs things up before it settles them down. So you thought you were uniquely bad at meditation because your thoughts wouldn't shut up. But what if I told you that distraction is their dominant barrier for nearly half of beginners? Comment your answer below. Now, let me show you what actually happens when you stop fighting your brain and start working with it instead. The moment I realized meditation wasn't about becoming a Zen monk, it was about becoming a better manager of my own mental warehouse, everything shifted. You're not trying to silence your thoughts. You're training your prefrontal cortex to notice when your amygdala is having a meltdown and choose not to follow its lead. This isn't mystical, it's mechanical. I started approaching meditation like going to the gym for my attention span, doing mental reps instead of chasing some impossible state of inner peace. That reframe, from fighting my brain to training it, made the whole practice click. Suddenly, a wandering thought wasn't a failure. It was a rep. 3 months in, I started noticing meditation showing up in places I never expected. During a tense project meeting, when my boss started spiraling about deadlines, instead of my usual stress cascade where I'd match his energy and feel rattled for hours, I watched it happening like I was observing from outside the room. My prefrontal cortex kicked in with that familiar, "the security guard is overreacting" recognition, and I stayed calm while everyone else got swept up in the chaos. I could choose my response instead of being hijacked by someone else's panic. When my teenager came home furious about friend drama, instead of immediately jumping into fix-it mode or getting defensive, I just listened. The meditation training had taught me to notice my impulse to react without actually following it. And that single shift changed how we talk now. Forget everything you think you know about meditation and start ridiculously small. Most practitioners meditate for 10 to 20 minutes daily, but even 10 minutes produces significant benefits for anxiety, stress, and mood. I started with 2 minutes, literally just 2 minutes of sitting and breathing, because my brain couldn't handle more without spiraling into self-judgment. The goal isn't to become a Zen master overnight. It's to build the habit of noticing your thoughts without following them. Benefits tend to emerge in daily life. Slightly more patience, slightly less reactive, before they're experienced during sessions. When you catch yourself staying calm during a heated conversation or choosing your response instead of reacting automatically, that's meditation working. Start tomorrow morning with one simple technique. Sit comfortably, focus on your breath, And when your mind wanders, which it absolutely will, just notice it and return to breathing. That wandering isn't failure, it's the entire point. Subscribe for more mindset breakdowns that actually work, and check out my video on building habits that stick.